But Jaden wife named Rozak. We can't cuss Rozak, you know. Cause Jaden never come out and say married to Rozak. A music video. So we didn't want divorce, so I'm gonna find the producer and divorce the producer, Jaden. Go find the producer.
Barely must say a woman, you love. Your rub crutches like.
About Chantau, them never believe me. But anyways, Chantau the dog. Yeah, Chantau is not a little girl, she's a big dog. She's a big dog, it's true. Jaden still not married. Let us keep it like that. He's still not married. So, what about divorce now? Then why Baba neck full of so much powder like him woman? Me say Baba little neck upset me, you see? Baba neck upset me. Baba neck full of powder, man. Like each trash running a sea view. JC I forgot to do better. I means that him up on him neck a lander. JC I forgot to do better with the powder. I share you by the powder. Who vent? Somebody say he's venting. Who vent? Who is venting? Who is venting? You can't use name. Remember a TenTory now one use name. Man, you say I'm venting a girl. Oh, come on man, come last night at this man, you got my bill. Why? Better leave? No, you never leave. Jaden a vent for. Jaden go lay down now. Every day, Macy send my request. Macy, you know, I never accept you. Me and your mate, I don't know if it's long on live with my one-time mate there. I don't accept you, Macy. Because I don't know if it's long on live with my one-time mate. I don't them girl there, you know. Then me in the public, I don't want to hurt the man ill. And the man not dead yet. Eh? I don't know if it's long on live with my one. I don't know if I do them because of me. I remember I can't play hypocrite, you know. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Yeah, I don't know how to sell my life yet, but nonetheless, you understand the TenTory now one. Attack, we attack. How was last night? Painful? Why when I go to Jamaica, I have no virginity, you know. Any day I visit Jamaica, I have no virginity. So anybody down there shell when I get shell. TikTok controversy. Ooh yeah. I don't know if I do them because some of them man. Yeah. Anytime I go to Jamaica. Jaden event. Well, Jaden event, but after Jaden never come out here, come tell nobody say married. If him and Shane never come to me, come tell me say Jaden did I get married, and none of them never believe me. And me bust the story. Like I don't remember. And me bust the story because Shane never talk it all now. And when me say Shane Jaden married, dog. What you talk about? Me don't know about that. And me bust it. So I don't know why Jaden come to event but him want a divorce. Divorce some who when you never tell the public say you're married. Divorce some who. I don't know what to talk about.
Divorce because you have a music video.
They don't want a divorce. If the wedding was a music video, all I know we can see Jaden in the background of the music. Then I would sing that. Eh? I would sing. And that's the funny part, they don't offer up the internet, you know. Eh? Then all I know the music can't come out. Don't the Elephant Man and Hakeem own will say. Then I want divorce. I'm not comfortable about Jaden this man. Because she did say them are trying to get him out of Jamaica because everybody want to kill him. But yet still him knows the money depend all able aid. Can't believe they mix up here. They make up more fix my lips. The internet just corrupt and demonic, yeah? The internet just full of lies. If a music video with Jaden, we're not afraid about Jaden and them divorce, remember say we cannot cuss. With Jaden wife named Rozak, we can't cuss Rozak, you know? We cannot cuss Rozak. Because Jaden never come out and say married to Rozak. A music video. So we didn't want divorce, so I'm going to find the producer and divorce the producer, Jaden. Go find the producer and divorce the producer. Yeah, because I know you don't tell the internet say you're married, so you want them to stop with you. She never come bust it up and say you want Canadian visa. She that help with European visa, and you come out and tell it, say you have US, Canada, Germany, Australia, Israel, Jordan, you know, Egypt. You have all over Zurich. You understand because you all look for destiny. You get where you say? Remember you come out and say all of them something, you know? So all the people that talk now say you want to divorce. You ain't going to lay down in your marriage. Go lay down in your pay for you. The video never ever launch because of visa. And a way down at watching. Then Bigfoot shape that come from Belgium spend so much money for going to a music video go all bouquet, sir. And waste of time for them big careless people here. Two tile could I really leave all the way to Zurich, make it make sense, people. You could leave all the way from Belgium, come out here for all bouquet, so you know your hand bouquet. Eh? Huh? Well that really crosses, you know. And anything them tell you no buy it. And that's the beauty about Uno. Yeah, it's true. Anything them tell them buy it, Lee. Anything at all them tell them. And when the argument bust out your ear how much visa Jaden did one, and oh Jaden have no visa, and oh Jaden have this and Jaden have that, and Jaden and never no music video. Ask Shay, ask two tile. Ask the girl who for 1 foot take up 2 big tile like down at Jakes. Yeah. It's just sad, Brian, that everything them spit out on a buy. That's why the internet have, that's why them having like idiot on the internet. When they come and tell you say Jaden I get married, if it's a music video, you know post snippet. You know must have pieces that you are saying, look how much things them let out from Elephant Man video. And only the things say Akim and Rosalie did I get married for sure. One man before me choking on the eye. Not too much. I only alone the internet around down. It's true. I don't own a careless, you know. That's Debo. You know, Debo is a long time man that, you know. No, but it's not like people. Why Emmy I cry? Cause the Obi are done. Emmy come out here with one bag of Obi. Emmy and Lando look cheesy and dirty together. You know, oh, you come out here with your negative one. Guy, you let down Africa. When you hear African people, they say, your energy is off. I don't like your energy, man. Your energy, I don't like it. And you come out here with one bag of negative energy. Go home, your furniture, them a strip. Go spray them. Going back here, they're unnecessary. There's not one contribution they bring out here from Africa more than Obia. Go home. Jamaica have them own Obia. Go home. Enough is enough. You feel safe at Jamaica first time, 50 cents, the one with the grit around it. Go home, man. Yeah, go on to your yard, man. You ball your head, you favor about boy. Man, old man could have laid down with your rub all your head and play with all your broad face. Man, I get tired. I'm glad me no man. Go on home, man. Sick and tired of you now. Go home. Nobody no want to know if you're stressed. Nobody no want to know if you're bored. And go your yard. I would kill my body here. Go your yard. I would make sure stick my shit in. And act like Whitney. Whitney don't cook. Whitney don't cook. Yeah. Go home. Me tell you, so Jamaican people are going to get tired of you. And they are tired. Yeah? They are tired because there's no substance coming from you. Yeah, go on your yard, man. You sick, drunk customer. We have Rosalie already. We have Rosalie already and she's as much over because she says she sell her soul, I tell you. You know what I mean? Chantau, she bad pan for her mouth. Then Chantau ain't a pup. Chantau is a big dog. Chantau ain't a pup. Rosalie, I grow you. Welcome to the club with me.
No man, you come and look at them and you pity them with them when them did younger. You look like so when you pity them be younger, them used to fuck out and oral, but it's not me, I mean it's me, it's not killerly. You see me I come from a friend, yeah, and then I can let me not supposed to the outside. In them time and I plan to come back 10:30 to come and go play a game with them. But you feel like it's a good idea, lady, I'm tell you this. You come like say man never work out for you, so yeah try man and woman now work out for you. Come realize say yeah tell I will call the people them name. I tell the lady about oh you have man and your man this your man that barely remember say a woman you say a woman you love. You rub crutches like you rub crutches so don't talk to me. Don't talk to me, come look at them and I know you pick them. With a dolphin looking self. You look like one of them stray dogs. Them stray dogs, they will look at them on a blasted owner.
When they tell people about Chantau, them never believe me. But anyways, Chantau the dog. Yeah, Chantau is not a little girl, she's a big dog. She's a big dog, it's true. But I don't like it, yes or no. Chantau is a big dog. Then me could have my little child behave so. The kick when me kick out her hole, she think I candy with the remote in her hole. You think a joke? The kick when me that kick out, she the one that win her virginity gone. Huh? Of course, all of them is how you grow your child. And people say parenting in a Chantau. That's the parenting in your daughter. People not talk about them something, people don't want to talk the reality, so the parents shame, so the parents do better on the children and the child. They want to cushion everything. Oh, she's a child. Keep the children out of it. Keep the children out of it. Children live where them learn. I don't know if I communicate with a rude child and I can't say stop. I tell you this every day. I have a church sister who have a daughter. And I say the woman speaks so soft. The woman would have say, what else must I do? I've done everything. And the daughter stand up, son. And the daughter listen. And the mother talk. That was the sweetest joke in a mail. And that them something make me not breathe. And somebody pass and your mother talk to you and somebody pass and say, what one? Yeah, but yeah, friend. Yeah, me there. And get back into formation. And when the lecture go down. And when the lecture go down, me don't run pick a joke, me run boot camp, me don't run cushion, me run boot camp. Yeah, up 2, 3, 4, up 2, 3, 4. You mad? No, it's true. Sometimes I wonder if I saw on go for the kids, like on support them nasty live it here. Sometimes I wonder if I saw on go on the kids, you know? Me understand, I will spoil the child based on your behavior towards your surrounding. Don't only have manners to me, man have manners to even my enemy them where you hear me and them a cuss over one egg. This is not your fight. You are a child. You don't repeat my vulgarity. You walk in the decency that I taught you. You don't repeat my vulgarity. Let the mom be the drunker for you until you reach that age when you can beat yourself. Grow your own wings when the time come. You ain't gonna get that from me, Discover. You ain't gonna get that from me. And people like when they have them dirty picnic and you cushion them. Not me. I will not do that. Yeah, it's true. This is what I always talk about. And you know what them do? Them group up together and them class and chat me. This is what everything when I say them prove me correct. Thank you, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You never steer me wrong yet. True. Then I like when you talk the undiluted truth. Them hate you upon that. Them hate you. When you hear Chantau talk and I talk, me, if I did film me that, I'm box out every teacher that would be gummy bear, a pay gummy bear. You think a joke? Mother kill his, father kill his, picnic kill his. What you work it out? And then come in and work dog. What a way you call upon Jesus. You never know if I call upon Jesus 2 weeks ago, 1 week ago, when you tear down your knee and watch the app money. You never know if I call upon Jesus, you talk about say you want to cry. You don't want to cry, I'm sorry for your look. Sorry for your look. When you're old gate pan people, you never want to cry to see how wicked you be. You never want to cry, world dog. One day in your life yet when you are old gate. When things nice, we don't remember for cry. Yeah, the gospel this morning. Move for me so with the tea bag crutches. Move. Boy, I play a gospel this morning. Nobody's sorry for you, world dog. You're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit. Yeah. You and Emmy and Rosalie and Chantau for just pack up. For just pack up in a one bag. And so, I don't know what kind of psychology you can spread from the app, but everybody have fall for you. Not this girl. You must be dreaming. Yeah. The same thing him do with Joe Death for real. Yeah, you come on and you play one bag. You have a pattern. I'm tired of this. Then you say you're talented. Then you come and talk about say hurt you, Jaden talk about your youth. And Yannick asks you for feeding money and you couldn't eat. Then that hurts you. Then when Jaden say hurt you about your child and Yannick asks you to feed your child and you, that not hurt you? Eh? Somebody say my black them out. Black them out. Me not understand this. We don't have to change up on this thing. We're not change up on a pattern. But you're even mad at child, you know. You don't care about your child belly, but you care for what Jaden said about your child. You are a wicked, dirty man. Wicked, dirty man. It's all about you. You're self-absorbed. It's all about you. It's all about you. And you want a bad image on Jaden when Jaden said he give Yannick. Thank you very much for the galaxy.